Long live, long live. 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 Long live. Long live, long live. Long live, long live. Long live, long live. Long live, long live.
Kulumka kini 2 tarik April kini 2-3 April 2022 kini parti Ipft ini Raja Samaranung itongo Salnwi bangyong nai kini amo 5th state level conference kini parti Ipft ini kini 2 din ni bangyong nai Uilangkai sengoro kini ni pandangkai sungguh 3 tahun ceng nai ceng mani porewo ceng jadi ni kopi rok cakin betul jang nai te welcome speech kajang nai ekle kabang mo kini first session kini GS ni report te kini divisional level ni report oke ceng kajang nai te joto kini allied organization ni ceng report na nai oke klai sing kini sing itongo ek kana hangkai kana kini bilai ku gupto ponno kini tongo kana kini present CC committee executive committee sabai rejak nai oke reform nai obahero kini program tongo kini ni tin conference state conference belai kini important belai gurupunno sarati perambara unahrai tongo kini kabangma decision nai kini finai salo kini partai Ipft tamu step nai naya abar kini salai jag nai kini government bai bhaina chute allied to money au bahai ke uitong bosi sembrok ka ham haya bos rajang nai sung detail sung present political situation aba ki jung salai nai te jotto chini division level ni report chungna nai a report mamani porewo sung chini future course of action to the plan cheng khai jang nai abong yang khakawo inamo state conference Ipft party ni balai khane important te chini sarati bar barau dok je barau chini tipralen hamjang nai state food hamjang nai barau phai tongo barau share khai nai te jot to chini leader of share khai nai angkha go chini Ipft party ching 2009 hori cheng khai mani tau 2022 angkha chini kabang ma sam tangmani abo chung salai nai hase general secretary hisabe ang report nai chini 3 বছর ni report already ready khaika abar chung report nai ei public blog abar report ni bising tui chung kabang ma chini achievement chini bro drawback tong chung bro chini tin party ni durbal tong abar salai nai ei khainai salo tam khaile nai abar ti bising detail chung discussion khainai ambai as usual every 3 years we are changing our committee CC member today also 2nd and 3rd April 2022 we are going to have a state annual conference and in the first session there are a lot of report will be collected from different part of the state and we have a 34 divisional committee we have so all present secretary of different committee division committee will give report and with this report we will assess the activities and performance of our party and also we are going to have an annual report by General Secretary 3 days performance and activities of our party will be report in written report will be given by the General Secretary and tomorrow we have very important session again tomorrow most probably we are going to have a reform the existing committee will be dissolved and new committee will be constituted. So tomorrow is a very important session, and hopefully by collecting all the report from different part of the state, we're going to assess our parliament activities for the last 3 years. What is the performance of our party will be discussed thoroughly with many allied organizations we have. We have a youth Ipft, Ipft, Atisha, and all allied organizations will also participate, as well as many like-minded organizations, NGOs, also going to participate in this conference. And as you know, everybody is looking forward about our conference outcome, and most probably, I think everything will be go to right tracks, and hopefully, this state conference this year is very important, and also we have a coming election 2023. That also target for this conference, and hopefully, I think everybody is looking forward, and all our like-minded organizations who support wholeheartedly statehood demand, the prevalent demand, they are watching to our, this conference. And after this conference, I think something will be happen, and hopefully our party will be. We have to work harder, and our with this performance, I think people will adjust. And of course, as you all know, that our party has a little bit problem, and our organization has some difficulties, some problem. But fully, I think we can come up very shortly. It is only because of our activities, our performance will be looking into it. So hopefully, this conference is very important for our people, especially for the indigenous people of Tripura.